What's going on, everybody? Can't Be Broken's Locks back again with another video. Oh, Happy New Year. Welcome to this new year. And I'm gonna show you guys today how to make the perfect bun in 2023. Because as you can see, I'm rocking it right now. It's flawless. It's sturdy, and that's what it's all about. We want flawless, sturdy buns this year.
What did he say?
I didn't mean to say that. Anyway, check it out. Nice. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into how we do this. It's very quick, it's very easy. We're getting close to that 10-year mark.
We don't care.
You know the drill. Get yourself a hair tie. Gonna take all the hair, bring it on down forward, and you're going to grab all of it. Have the headband ready. Now, here's what you're doing differently this time around. You're going to bring it out to the side instead of putting it behind you. That's what we did last year. This year, we're going out to the side, all right? So you should have one of these going on. And now you want to take all of that excess and you're going to slowly twist it. You're gonna want to twist it towards your scalp. So whichever side you do this on, make sure you're twisting it towards your scalp. And as you're twisting it towards your scalp, you're wrapping it around. So you can see the structure coming together. Now, this extra portion of your headband, you're going to bring that hair and you're going to tuck it under. And that's it. Perfect bun 2023. That's it. We not spending half an hour trying to get this bun no more in 2023, y'all. Let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all want to see more bun specialty content on here, or if you want to see, I don't know, if you want me to talk about something, anything. Those who don't know, I have a gaming channel also. Can't Be Broken with 93 at the end. You like gaming content? Just pop on over there if you want to. Happy New Year. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.